Hello, how are you today? Welcome back to GoStudio webinar episode 2 in a series of guiding customers to use GoStream professionally. And first of all, let's have a look and review the last episode. In the last episode, we have introduced GoStream interface and how to link GoStudio, how to link Facebook and YouTube to GoStudio and stream from GoStudio to YouTube and Facebook channel. So this is the interface of GoStudio, and in order to change into English, you click on this button and choose the language that you want. Okay, now you can, if you don't have an account, so you can sign up for free here, and let's have a look. You just input the full name and the email, password, and confirm password. Finally, click on Get Started and wait a minute. Then the system will create your account. After signing up an account, let's log in. This is the designing interface of GoStudio, and in order to change into another language, you repeat the same step. Click on this button and choose your language. Okay, so I briefly introduced about the interface here. You can see the banner about the promotion here, or you can watch the tutorial video here by click on it. So here is the tutorial video, and you can watch the tutorial video here to understand how to use GoStudio. Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, so now step to start live streaming is link your account to GoStudio, and I will repeat again how to link your account to GoStudio. First, you click on personal. You click on personal and then pay attention to the section here, live stream account. And in order to add an account to GoStudio, you click on this button and then choose the destination you want to link to. For example, if you want to link to your Facebook account, click on this. And just wait for a minute. Here, my Facebook account has been added to GoStudio system, and with this, on the next live streaming, I can choose my Facebook account click on here and choose your YouTube account. Choose an account that you want to link to GoStudio and the place that you want to stream on the channel. So you can choose here. For example, I will choose GoStudio. Okay, so now GoStudio has been added to Go Livestream account here. If you want to delete, just click on this button and just wait for a minute. So now with this you can add many accounts at the same time to for you to easy to live stream and choose the destination on the next step. And today I will introduce you some designing features of GoStudio because customer will get attracted by beautiful and vivid live stream. So in order to get more customer attention, you need to create and decorate your live stream. So now the first step, if you want to decorate and beautify your live stream, the first step is create live stream. Click on this button. And if you don't have any project, if you don't have any available project, I will introduce you some template, some available template, and suitable for each purpose. So the price here, you can top up your GoStudio wallet to you can top up your GoStudio wallet and use it to buy the template here with the very reasonable price. I think it is very reasonable price because on the template is really beautiful. As you can see on the screen, I'm using GoStudio to live stream and make this webinar, and I use the available template of GoStudio here to make webinar. So if you are also a webinar maker, if you also do webinar like this, you can use the template here. Okay. So get back to the first step to live stream. In order to live stream by GoStudio, the first step you need to click on Create Live Stream. And here, if you have bought a template, it will show up here like this. And if you don't want to use an available template, you can create by your own by clicking on Create New Project. And you can input the name of the project to use it for the next time. For example, I will put the name like project 1. And here, type of project. With type of project, you can choose landscape for the viewer who use a PC or laptop, or portrait for the viewer who use a phone, smartphone, and something like that. With this, you can choose the suitable type of project that's suitable for your customer, for live stream viewing habits of your customer. And then you click on create a project. Now, this is the control and designing screen interface of GoStudio. And on of our feature is on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, it will show you many features, right? Like insert text, insert images, and video or an audio or screen sharing. And with interaction, GoStudio provides some interactive feature, just like invite guests to join your live stream, pin comment, statistic comment, and many interesting interactive feature here. Or you can sell more effectively with these features, and I will introduce you this feature on the next episode. So please keep streaming and keep following us to update and to get the notification about our next webinar. In the webinar today, I will introduce you some designing feature, which mean that these 5 features, including adding text, adding images to decorate your live stream, or insert a video and play it on your live stream, or media, or music, an MP3 music, and share your screen. Okay, so now I will introduce you these 5 basic features of GoStudio. And with this interface, 2 things that I want you to focus on is that you pay attention here, no microphone layer, which means that if you don't add audio layer, when you speak like that, your voice didn't record on the live stream, which means that if I don't put an audio layer here, when I speak, the viewer can't hear anything. So in order to add your voice to your live stream, you can click on this plus button and choose audio. Then you choose your device, your recording device, and click choose device. For example, like this. Here, the notification about the audio layer doesn't show up here anymore. Okay. And when I delete it, it will have a notification here. So first thing that you need to pay attention is this notification with the microphone layer. And the next one I want you to focus on is that quickly scene switch, which means that when you turn on this button, this is turning on here, and when you turn on this button, when you create another scene, when you switch the scene, the customer also see the same. as what you do here. For example, when I doing with the scene 1 here, and then I change into the scene 2 here, the customer also see the same thing. But when I turn it up, you can see here send to live, which means that the customer can't see what you are doing here. And when you change from scene 1 to scene 2, the system doesn't show the same thing. You need to click on send to live, and the system will send the scene 2 to the live stream and show it for your customer. So you can turn it on or off depending on your purpose. Okay? But remember, when you turn it up, anytime when you do another action, you need to click on send to live to show the same screen, to your customer. Okay, just pay attention to these two things. And now I will show you some designing features of GoStudio. First, adding text. With adding text layer, the thing you can do is that you can see the layer here, and you can put it anywhere on the screen, and it will show the same position of the text layer as you are doing here. For example, I will, in order to change the content in the text layer, you click twice. You click twice on this layer, and then you delete the old one and I input the content like hello, welcome to our live stream. Just for example. And here you can move it anywhere that you want. With text layer, you can choose the font. The font here, if you can choose any font that you want to, or you can resize. For example, I want it to smaller or bigger. It depends on you and depend on the template or the position of the text. So you can resize and adjust here, and you can choose the color as well. For example, I want the text in yellow color. You choose the color here, and remember to click OK. Now the text has been changed into the yellow color. And you can even delete the layer if you don't want it to show on your live stream. With text layer, you can do some more action. For example, when you click on setting here, and you should focus on this button, because on the layer of GoStudio have the same button. So if you get familiar to this button, you can use it very easy. Okay, and with setting, you can do many things like make the text in the middle, or on the right, or on the left, bold. It's the same as you doing a work. When you do in Microsoft Word, it's the same. So I think you understand about this, right? And opacity, you can choose the opacity to make it here like this, or scroll. With scroll, you can make the text become very attractive, and it is like a notification. For example, I will scroll in it from first. You need to click on this. Now the text has been scrolling, and you can choose the direction from the left to the right or from the right to the left. It depends on your purpose. And you can choose the speed here. It will become slower or faster. Here, as you can see here, when I choose this is like a notification or a welcome message to the viewer. So anytime when the viewer click on your live stream, they will focus on this live first, and it's very vivid and attractive, right? So another thing you can do with text layer in live, if you don't want to split the work into many line, you can click on in line and it will conclude it in one line only. Or you can change the background color. Like I want the background color is white. Oh, sorry. I want it in white. Remember to click OK. And now the background has been changed into white color. And make the text in another color. Okay. So you can see it's very more attractive, right? More vividly and blur. You can do blur. Oh, remember to click on enable. Now the text has been blurred. Like height and rotate. It's very easy to understand about this feature. You can rotate the text if you want to. It depends on your using purpose. So we put every feature that a customer needs. So it depends on your using purpose or your designing idea. You can choose the feature to design your text and make your live stream become vividly. Okay, so that is all you can do with text. And of course, you can delete the layer by two ways. The first way is delete here and click yes. Or on the text layer, you can click on three dot button and click delete or lock the layer, which means that you can change or you can move the layer, or you can delete the layer, or you can hide the layer, and replication to double the layer. Here you can double the layer here like this and delete it. You just need to remember this button, and you keep do the same thing for every different other feature, because we have the same interface and the same button. So just remember this button and you can do everything with GoStudio very easy. And you can hide the text, hide and then show, and hide and show. Like you have a promotion, a banner promotion, but you don't want it to show on the screen. You just want it show when you speak and when you talk about it. So you can click hide it until you talk about it, and you click show, then the banner will show up on the screen. it will make the customer surprised, and I think it is very professional. Now I will introduce you the second feature of designing tool of GoStudio images. So with images, you can choose a picture from Google, for example, and just make sure that it's not you have the right or the copyright of the picture. For example, I will choose a random picture for seller. Um, a skirt, for example, skirt, and I want to insert this skirt on the screen. Of course, you can choose any picture depending on your designing idea and click download as usual. Here, save image, save here, and then get back to GoStudio. Here, if you want to upload a picture to GoStudio system, click on this button. You can see here, this button, click on it and choose the destination of the picture, like the skirt I have downloaded. And just wait a minute. Here, the picture has been added to GoStudio, and of course, when you spend time to design some picture and combine it on a live stream to make a very attractive scene, because I don't have time to design my own picture to decorate, so I just demo the feature for you, and you are the person who have the new idea, who have the creativeness, so you can use our basic feature to design and decorate a very attractive live stream, because our customer has designed so many attractive live stream, and they get so many viewers, and they really successful in live streaming. And even more, you can use some gift. Here we have the gift store, free gift store for the user to use for their live stream. In order to access the free gift store, you click here. You can see here, this is the button here. You click on it, and it will access you. It will move you to a gift store, and there are so many gifts, and depend on different purpose. You can choose the keyword and find a gift. Here, for example, if you are a seller, you can type selling, and it will show you on the gift suitable for the keyword selling. And you can choose any that you want, any gift that you want. For example, the sale here, I want to make a gift about a sale promotion, so I can choose, click on it, oh, remember, it's not totally free. Of course, some gift will be cost a little bit, but you can see the cost here and choose the free gift if it suitable for you like this. Like this, I will make it an example for you. And in order to add this gift to your live stream, there are two ways. The first way is download. You can download the gift and add to your live stream as the receiving step that I have add a picture. Okay, and the second way is that you copy the link and back to GoStudio and add the link here, then choose Lottie. Just wait a minute. So now here, the gift has been added to your live stream screen, and with gift you can cut the picture. Here you can cut the picture, or you can change another picture and delete it if you don't want it to show up on the screen. Very simple, right? So that's all about images feature. So this is the feature to make you unique and different from other competitor, because the creativeness of each person is different. So with this feature, you can do anything. You can do so many things to make your live stream become gorgeous and become very vivid. That the customer, if they don't have, the other competitor, if they don't have creative ability, they can't do the same thing as you. So, and another feature is that adding a video. In order to add in a video, I will repeat the step. You click on plus button and click on video. First, this is the camera. And as you can see on the screen, I'm using a camera, and with camera you can choose here. You can choose your device here, and you can choose the resolution here. And remember, in order to live stream in 1080 pixel, which means that full HD, you need to upgrade your GoStudio package. And when you choose the full HD here, and live stream in full HD quality, the customer will see your live stream very clearly. The second is video. With video, you can also repair an available video, or you download a video from Facebook or anywhere and upload it. You just do the same step. It's very easy because every feature is the same. So you click on this button and choose the destination of your video. You can repair before live streaming and edit here. I will show you how to input a video by a YouTube link. If you want to use an available link of a YouTube channel to add to your live stream, click on YouTube video and go to YouTube. You can choose your account or use the video from anywhere that you want, but remember about the copyright infringement, because your live stream may be deleted. May be deleted because of copyright infringement. So you can type here no copyright music or anything with the keyword no copyright. Okay. Now I will use a video from my YouTube channel. For example, I will take this video and add to GoStudio. I will copy the link here and paste here. Choose video, and now video has been added to the live stream screen. In order to play the video, you click on this button. Then the video has been played. And if you want to pause, click this. Or you want to stop it to replay again, click on stop. You want to delete, click here. You want to get more setting like opacity. You want to reduce an opacity, or you want to raise the volume, lower it, change the volume here, and or you want to loop, which means that when the video go to the end, it will replay until you stop it completely. So you can choose loop here or turn it off or delete it. So this is all about video feature. Easy to understand when you add a video from your device by uploading it, and you just need to repair an available video and choose it to upload to the system, and then choose it to add on your live stream. Or you can take a video from a YouTube link. You just copy and paste the link and then add it to your live stream. Or you can add your camera and record your record by a webcam, for example. The next feature I want to introduce to you is audio. With audio, I will repeat again. When the first step, if you want to record your voice on the live stream, for example, when I'm speaking and you can hear what I'm speaking, right? So in order to do that, the first thing you need to add an audio layer and choose the device here. As you can see here, the mic is working, and when I speak, it has the movement here, and you just choose device, and the layer will add it here. It will also show the movement here. So if the scene you want to communicate, you want to speak, you want to interact directly to customer, you need to add an audio layer. Remember about this. This is the very important layer of all, because if you don't add this layer, when you speak, the viewer can't hear anything. So remember that. And besides, you can upload an MP3 as a music a music file to the system and play it like a song. If you want to add a song, a background music to make your live stream become to get more sound, you can choose to upload here at the same step and just prepare an MP3 file on your device and upload it here and add it to the live stream. Okay. And the last one is screen share. Screen share is at the same thing I am doing on the screen. You are watching my screen here. Here are on my screen, and you are seeing it, right? This feature is suitable for the online teacher who use the PowerPoint or who use the Microsoft to teach online, and they can show up their screen and turn on the PowerPoint lesson and then teach on the live stream. So in order to use this feature, you can click screen share and choose the quality resolution of the screen share. Then you can choose your current screen. For example, this is my current screen, and when I click, I choose. Remember to tick on share audio or not, which means that when you share your screen and you play a song on your screen here, for example, when I play a video, if you tick on share audio, the customer also listen to the song as well. And if you don't tick on it, they just see the screen. And when I turn any sound on, they can't hear anything. So okay, when you choose on the screen here, or you choose a specific window, or just choose a tab, it depends on your purpose. So for example, I will choose the screen here, and when I click share, now the screen has been shared to the system, and you just resign or move to anywhere that you want to. With screen share, you can change the screen or crop the screen or delete it. So that's all about the designing feature of GoStudio. And a thing that I want you to focus on is that, for example, I do a live stream and switch to many to many scenes. So for example, scene 1 and scene 2, if I want to apply a layer on the screen, for example, I will choose another screen. So I want to add the audio layer on the screen, because sometimes when I forget to add audio on any scene, which means that the viewer can't listen and can't hear anything from the scene. So when I'm afraid of forgetting about this, I can choose the layer and I will tick on the layer that I want to apply. Tick on the scene that I want to apply the layer to this scene, or you can click on to add a layer on the scene here. For example, I want to add the audio layer to scene 1 and scene 3 only. I don't want to add it on the scene 2. I will tick on it. Yeah, so you can see here the scene 1 have the audio layer, but the scene 2 doesn't have the audio layer. And in the scene 3, it has an audio layer. So with this feature, you can add a layer to on the screen on the scene that you want to, and it will save a lot of time. You don't need to create the same thing to each scene. Just click on this and it will apply how to apply on the scene. Okay, and anytime when you design a thing or you insert a new layer, you can click on this button to save the project. And when you save the project, you can reuse it on the next time. Remember to click on save. Okay, and now I will demo for you how to stream your project to the destination. So focus on this button here, start streaming, click on it and choose your account. This is on the linked account that I have did it on the beginning of the video, so you can rewatch again if you miss it. So choose an account. For example, I choose my Facebook account, and when you link your Facebook account to GoStudio, you can stream your video, your project. You can stream your live stream on your your personal account or on the pages that your account has an admin operation. So, for example, I manage this fan page, then I can stream it on the fan page as well or on the group. But in the group, you need to get the permission to live stream by GoStudio on the group. So next webinar, I will guide you how to give the permission to live stream by GoStudio to the group. And you just put a title here, live stream 1. For example, it depends on you and the content. Test and choose the resolution here. And remember, if you want to live stream by 320 pixel or Full HD 1080 pixel, you need to upgrade your account first. And in order to, so now I tick on this button. Remember, tick on this button and add destination. So the system the destination has been added to the system. Then, if you want to stream on another destination, and remember that when you want to stream on multi-destination, which means that more than one destination, you should upgrade your account. And depend on your package, you can stream on so many accounts at the same time. For example, I choose another account like this, and you can change the title for the second destination or the content if you want to, and just do the same step. You click on add destination. Then there are 2 destinations, and when I click start streaming, the live stream will be streamed on these 2 destinations at the same time, and just repeat the same step to add many destinations, a list of destinations here. So I will stream it on my test fan page. Click on start streaming and wait a minute. You can read the stream tips when you are waiting. So now the live stream has been streamed on the destination. In order to check and watch your live stream, you can click here, as you can see here, and click on this button. So this is the link that you are streaming on. Just wait a minute. Here, the live stream has stream on, and anytime, anything when I do here, when I change here, the screen also show the same thing. Okay. You can click to turn on the review screen here. So anything you do here, you can watch the review screen, which means that the customer also see the same as your review screen here. So it's very simple, right? So you just override and do on the thing on your controlling interface here, and the customer will see anything that you do. It's very simple. So when you want to stop your live stream, click on this. Remember to click stop the live stream before you turn it off, because if you don't turn it off, if you don't stop it, the live stream will be streamed forever until you turn it off or until it out of the duration. Okay, so do you have any question for me about designing features today? When I'm waiting for your question, I will show you somewhere that you can contact with GoStudio. Okay, first you can contact with us by Facebook. You click on the searching engine here and type GoStudio. Here is our official fan page, so you can leave your question and inbox us via these fan pages. Oh, sorry, via this fan page. Okay, remember our fan page name GoStudio, or you can watch the tutorial video on YouTube by typing GoStudio on the searching engine here. And this is, sorry, just wait a minute. This is our official fan page with 713 subscriber. Here you can watch our video. We have separated in different language, so you can watch the video that's suitable to your language here. Okay. So do you have any question for me about the webinar and the feature I have introduced to you today? If at this moment, if you don't have any question, but when you are using in your using Rosette, if there are any problem or question, please inbox to our fan page to get the advice and get the answer to solve your problem. So now, if you don't want to, you don't have any question for me, I will start the live stream. I will start a webinar now, and the next webinar is going to organize on 22nd of July in 2021. So remember to get back to our YouTube channel to watch our next webinar. Okay, and now bye bye and see you again. Thanks for watching and supporting us on this time. Bye bye.